It's Sam again. This is my third video on this channel. Just doing a quick review. Just gonna trade live. The market's about to open in about 15 minutes. So far, um, we had some news at 8:30. Price manipulated down, took out that sell side, then it went up, took out some relative highs up there, and now it's just consolidating. We did take out data low at 9 o'clock, and now I think we're about to go towards data high at market open. I was looking for an entry. I think I found one, but I wasn't too sure because it was too choppy, and I didn't know if it wanted to like be bearish because it was consolidating in this bearish gap right here, so I didn't really trust it. But it literally just went up like 30 points, like right after it finished consolidating. Um, so I guess what I want to see is probably like this gap to get like retapped, like this bearish gap that was inverse to get like retapped in, and to proceed higher like at CE. This is more of like a balanced price action range right here because it's a bullish gap inside of the bearish inversion. So I'm thinking of taking entry there. So I'll just set my limit real quick and we'll see from there. 266. Looks like it's coming down pretty fast. Alright, so entry's right here. Just got it's kind of crazy. We got edged a little bit there. And we did not get tapped in. Nice. Oh, we're gonna get tapped in. So are we targeting these? Okay, so I did get tapped in. So I'm risking around 25 points on this trade. First trade of the day. I want to target data high, which is up there. Right now I'm in drawdown. It's looking like price is just rejecting off of that. Look, looks like it wants to go lower almost. I think it could be, it's kind of 50-50 here. I'm thinking of moving my stop to these lows right here, because if we were to just continue and bounce up, we should bounce up like right about now, exactly right then. So I feel like right now we need speed above these highs to be really safe that price is definitely going up, and there's all the confluences there. So confluence for this trade is we swept data low, we're targeting data high, inverse is bearish for valley gap, bullish for valley gap inside the bearish inverse, CE wick entry, and yeah, it's that simple. So right now up about 13 points. We'll probably go break even at these highs right here. Then we'll move stop to profits when we get above these highs, maybe. And then we'll just let it ride from there. Right now I'm gonna de-risk and put my stop to these lows, because I know price shouldn't have to come all the way down here to sweep these lows, tap into that gap, because it's already within the range to continue higher. Let me just draw out the range real quick. Yep, it's in premium right now. We already tapped into discount, so we just have to like keep going higher. It's honestly a perfect retrace from that swing low to swing high. You tap that bullish for value gap inside there, so we just need to like literally displace above these highs and then we'll be good to go. It's like some rejection wicks. Thing is, I'm trying to like anticipate like where price could be like manipulating to on market open because it's still like 5 minutes to market open. Looks like it's consolidating right now. So I think what I'm gonna do, because I feel like it can manipulate down here to just sweep the low. If we're not already up here by market open, if we're not already up here, we can low key like come down, sweep these lows. So I think I'm going to go back to where my stop was in case that happens to like preserve this because I know we're going up. So I'm sure of that. I know we're going up. It's just where is market gonna manipulate to? Exactly. I'm so scared of. So I want to see these lows get taken, market open as part of manipulation. And I don't want to see price come lower than that because that would just mean it's bearish, right? So you just have to keep that in mind. So right now, solid trade. Um, yeah, if it doesn't work, we still have one more trade for the day and we're good. But it is what it is. If it doesn't work at the end of the day, but I think this is a solid setup, honestly. And just gonna see how it plays out. 5 minutes to market open. Looks like we're about to take these lows. I know my face is kind of dark right now. There's not much lighting in this room. Sorry about that. Yeah, just swoop those lows. Looks like market is continuing below those lows. I feel like it might get stopped here. Let's see. So a couple points away from getting stopped. And alright, we got stopped. So decent trade. I feel like I managed risk pretty well. Looks like market could be bearish Monday. I think it's still gonna like probably just sweep this again and then proceed higher, if I'm being honest. Like get like a full sweep, maybe tap into this gap right here or something. Yeah, that'll be nice. That'll be actually a good level. Alright, not much to go off of. Yeah, we tap into that gap. Does it fit the range though? So Oh yeah, kind of fits the range. If you know about that, still fits the range. So I wouldn't be surprised if price comes down here, manipulates, and then bounce back up. That would be nice. I think it might be the next trade, honestly. But we'll see first. We're not gonna just go for it. We're just gonna take what it is. So what I do, 25 points top. Let's just move that. So we swept that low again. Let it go through. See if we tap that gate and bounce off of it. That's what I just want to see. Because I feel like that would be a nice way to like start the day. Like if we just bounce off this gap straight to like data high. Let me see. The thing is like if I miss out, it's 9:30. All right, market open. Nice rejection. Oh my gosh. Nice manipulation. Holy bro, there's no way. There's no way. There's no way. There's no goddamn way. There's no way. There's no freaking way, man. Yeah, I just knew that was gonna happen. I can't lie. There's nothing I could have done. It's alright though. It's alright. We can still find another trade. Mark just booms up 80 points for that. Wow, the volume today is like crazy. It's crazy. I could have. It's alright, man. But hey, at least we didn't fumble. So, where do you want to see the retrace here? Maybe into that gap, right? What's going on with my MNQ is delayed. Well, just go ahead, take data low, data high out. Then I'll look for another trade. That was a nice level. It fit too, fit the range, fit everything. Yeah. We go back to that. Hmm. Interesting. Looks delayed. It is kind of delayed. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's a nice long. Sweep of data low, sweep again. So I'm glad that at least things I could take back from this trade is that my draw liquidity was right. You know, it's just about the entries. Like I just need to like fix my entries and like sharpen them. And that's how you get better. So definitely gonna be back testing this to like See if I can find the trust levels. Because I did see this earlier, but I was like, it's a possibility. But I wasn't sure. Like I need more conviction when I like decide on levels like this. But yeah, that was a great trade. Uh, we're in discount right now. Tap that level. We're back in premium. Perfect. That's insane. That's very, very clean. Too clean. Like it's like when you see it too clean of a setup, you start getting like, is that really worth it? Might be getting a little retrace here, but I don't like. I don't know if I would want to enter for the way it's going. Let's see that 1 minute. Yeah, it's climbing. Thing is, this could easily go bearish, just the way it's looking. Like it can easily be like a whole ass wick. You know, right now it's just consolidating. So, so for value gap within there. So if you measure the range where we at, we just wicked 50%. We can tap that cap to proceed higher, yes. But the 50% is pretty clean as well. Sweep of that low right there. Oh boy. The way our price action is, I mean, the news today was even, it wasn't that crazy. It was 8 red folder, no red folder. No, that was actually insane, but it didn't even do that much. It was just like 200 points, 150 really. That's basically all we're going for. So, should I take this trade? Sweep it out low, tap CE, bouncing off of God. It could consolidate. I mean, how many additional points? 60. I guess I'll try it. What's going on? Yo, Top Step's chilling, yo. Top Step's freaking bugging, bro. Yeah, Top Step's lacking. I can't do this. Hold on. Jesus is Lord, bro. Yeah, just forget it. Yo, that could have been me. Think about that, bro. I called that, bro. That could have been me. But what happens? Yeah, Top says bugging. I couldn't even take it if I wanted to. Yeah. Let's go ahead and hit TP real quick. What the hell is this price action? That's an insane trade, though. 106. That would have been my biggest trade. What's the drawdown on that? 7-point drawdown. Damn. That's a clean ass setup. This is crazy. Like back to back clean setups. It was first this one. That short was absurd. And I called that one too. Oh my gosh. Like I was literally like back testing the level yesterday and how like that'll be a good level to reach. I didn't even think it would reach in the overnight session. That's so crazy, man. But so many empty tabs. Right now, still pretty steady. I'm just waiting for this to get taken. Then I can just. So 5 or 15. 15, okay. They're waiting for data to get to me. Still 60 points away, too. It's too wicky now, though. Can't even find entry. It's like if you're in, you're in, But let me start looking like for another low. You obviously know that's gonna get taken. Let's just remove that. Move on to the next. Still got one more trade. Tops it can like work. Let's see what's going on there. Oh, GG's. Top step is down. Project effects in this platforms, man. All we can low key do is like watch this trade, but you can't do shit. Yeah, this is what we get, bro. People can get exit trades. And they might be giving out free resets again. Hey, I might get a free. I might get it funded. Damn, they're spamming. I'm pretty sure they're aware of the freaking problem. Yeah, just tired, man. I'm lucky rambling, bro. I can't lie. Let's press story now. Let's see. We're about to tap. Are we actually about to sweep this one? Because that would have been my entry, but if not for Top Step, yeah. Yeah, the CE would have been key level entry. So I would have entered like literally right now. Like right there. For my entry speed, like, oof. It's like sometimes my entries are really good, and also sometimes my entries are really bad. And this low-key fits why this would work, right? Sweep inside the BPR, and then the internal BPR is created right here, tapped into. Still kind of respecting the 50%. I mean, we could easily, like, you know, that's too long of a close. That would be so bearish, man. But yeah, it's not a bad trade. Hey, target. Alright, wow. You can like simply just target the highs too. That's 100 points. That's insane. But it's really that. It's deep premium. Yeah. So that would have failed miserably. Or it could be targeting. No ways going for another sweep. That would be too crazy. Oh, honestly, we're 15 minutes into the market, bro, and I'm already tired of that shit, bro. And I'm like, should I even continue? Should I just get out for the day, bro? Probably should literally look up from now. Give me free reasons. Okay. Yo, Tom said just we're going crazy right now. Alright, man. So, like, look at them, bro. Yo, can't make this up, bro. I can't trade, bro. That's hilarious. But hopefully their platform comes back up. Yeah, my thing stats. Can you have a load up their site? But I hope I really don't blow this funding because that would hurt. So, and I'm like, I think I'm like, oof. I had a really bad day, which is kind of like slowed me. Yeah, I'm basically like $100 left before I lose the account. So I have like um, 2 days, 2 trading days. Like if I lose those both days, like yeah, then it's fried. But I feel like with the way I'm going my trades and how I'm executing and how I'm like taking like decent trades, I feel like I can easily pass a funded now because I have pretty good discipline on it. And you know, with Top Step and the new like no activation accounts, it'll be really easy to get funded. So I'll probably be back to where I started eventually, but I'll be back better than ever. So and I can risk more. I mean, not like that, but like have a not have a tighter stop loss. Is what I'm saying. Why is it going down? You can't look at this. This is bullshit. Like, what is this nonsense? What are we doing here? Top steps down. We got consolidation at 9:45. We just swept the same low like 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, what are we doing right now? If I was in this trade, I definitely would have bought out by now because what's it say? Like, what would be the confluence in taking this low, this short right here? Like, what's it going? What sweep it that high? I mean, you can say there's a VPR here. Now you tap it. You tap this gap to be precise. You can say that, but you see, like, there's just no confluence. It's too spiffy. You know? It should have went up by now, honestly. It's low-key just bouncing from low to low to high to high. Like, watch it sweep this and just bounce right now. Like, you can't make this up. Like, you're just throwing 100 points every left and right, bro. And the fact that they're not even trades is the part that I'm pissed off about. They're not even trades, bro. Like, are we gonna hit data right now? I'm just gonna like stall all day. It'll be 950 macro. We could possibly get something. Actually, no, we can't. Top steps down. Oh. But this, I'm gonna do the last tape read, then I'm gonna be done for the day because I'm not doing this with top step. I'm not trying to trade for too long, honestly. So this is my mental. Plus, I'm trying to buy text. Um, yeah. This was today's news. Freaking insane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it all did nothing. I expected like a 500 point drop or something. Yeah, and we did not get that at all. I feel like we always expect like something like 500 to 1,000 point drop. Mind you, we got like a 100 point manipulation and 200 point. It's not like that's just common like CPI or something. Another BPR made. Nice tape read would be to tap into here. This would be a nice trade. If it retrace back into here. Like, by the way, BPRs are really like, what's it called? Which one fits the best? Or like, look at this. You can just check OTE. So, like, we could trade back into. Okay, point 0.5 should do it. No, point 0.5 should do it. So, oh, I did from that. I'm gonna tape read that. See what happens. This hits, it hits. If not, well, can't really trade right now because, top set being top set. Hopefully I get refunded for my trade. Well, that'll be nice. If not, oh well. What the hell? I look away for 1 second. Alright, just go away, bro. But it's crazy. If you would have gone here and stayed in, you would have got stopped and then right back up. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. Top step is still down. God damn. We just took out data low, data high in less than an hour. What's going on? This sad one loss. I could have taken. T-Boy would if I just placed my trade. Yes or yes. So data high. That was low key like my product target of the day too. It's alright. Well, unfortunate things just happen, and we can't control how the world works. So we just have to anticipate for better days. Some nice retrace off the daily range. First, we tap. Oh my god, that's a clean ass tap too. Yeah, we might be going higher now. Like, when I say higher, like back to where we're at, like targeting all-time high. It's gonna take a while, but definitely gonna be going down there. Nice for our BPR just in the So we'll just, I guess, we'll see. If Top Step comes back on, we'll try. If not, I'm done for the day. But I feel like before this goes up, this is obviously draw for the week, at least for the end of the week. Can I place it? get taken, right? I feel like I'm whispering right now, but yeah, I want to see that get taken. I want to see something like this happen. So I can obviously enter at the CE. If you go in the lower time frame, you probably find some more confluences like the rally gaps, liquidity sweeps, things of that nature. We took our data low, and yeah, that was oof. Hey, bro, if we make regrets, we will never change. If we keep like saying that, oh, I should have done this, I regret not taking this. It's gonna be lost in your own thoughts, man. So I just have to keep an open mind, keep my trust in God that He will give me my breakthrough that I'm looking for. So so I can help the family out. That's the ultimate goal, right? So that's to wrap up today's video. Real quick, it's a less than 30 minutes into the market analysis on what I wanted to trade. Traded it, got stopped because of it wanted to go down and sweep again. I guess so, but it's cool. It happens. Um, I'll back test it, make sure it doesn't happen. Wait for the second sweep to break it next time. You write that down. Wait for the second sweep. But the thing is, what if there's no second sweep? That's the thing, but I'll have to keep those in mind, right? Mark always has something new to give, right? So that's what I learned. It's a trade I took, and yeah, I appreciate y'all for if y'all are watching. I feel like I'm talking to myself right now, but appreciate y'all if y'all are watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Stay blessed.